Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 10C smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the best display settings that you can change on this device. So basically it's going to be like a simple video review of the display settings this device has to offer. So first of all, you gotta open up the general settings app. Here scroll down until you stumble upon the display category. Go for this category and here we are. So firstly we are able to change the color scheme and switch it between the light mode and dark mode. Now the phone was in a dark mode and I've just switched it to the dark mode. So as you can see, the dark mode looks just like this. Everything becomes dark, black. And by the way, the little tip, the dark mode, while the smartphone is in the dark mode, it consumes less battery. And also it is a very suitable mode for the times where you do not have the sufficient ambient lighting. Right below the manual opportunity to switch between these two modes, we have the setting that is responsible for setting some schedule for the automatic switch between those two modes. So here we can schedule the dark mode, for example, for the sunset to sunrise time frames, or set any custom time frames you would like. Next we have the brightness level setting that allows us, as you could already guess, to regulate the brightness level of our screen either manually by altering this bar, or set it to be automatic, to be regulated automatically. There is also the sunlight mode switch, which once active adjusts the brightness to strong ambient light to prevent the screen from going too dark. The next setting that we have is reading mode, and as you will see now, once enabled it basically warms up the colors and makes everything look warmer. So if you are experiencing the high level of eye fatigue, or you are tired in general, you gotta try this mode out for sure. There is also this bar that allows us to adjust the intensity of this effect, so the more we go into the right side, the warmer the colors get. And there is also the schedule section of the setting that allows us to set the automated schedule for this mode to be enabled. Next we have the color scheme settings that allows us to choose and configure how the colors will look like and what the colors will look like. We have the vivid color preset, and by the way, on top of this setting page we have this colorful preview picture, so we'll see and understand how and what the colors will look like exactly. We have the saturated presetted color mode or standard. There is also this color palette that allows us to manually regulate how the colors will look like, and just below this color palette will also provide it with an opportunity to regulate the warmness level of our colors. Next we have the setting that provides us with an opportunity to either increase or decrease the text size, the font size. I'll leave it at extra small, for example. Or you know what, I'll actually make it small. There is also when device is in VR setting that allows us to choose whether we want to reduce flicker or reduce blur. But obviously this setting is only, it makes sense only once you use your Xiaomi Redmi 10C smartphone with the VR glasses. And also there is an auto rotate screen switch, which once active makes sure that the layout mode of our interface changes from portrait to horizontal modes and vice versa, alongside with us actually physically rotating the phone. Alrighty, so that was it as for the display settings on this device. So hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.